tissues, this is the last category of the animal tissues, which is the connective tissue. So the most widespread tissue in the vertebrate's body is the connective tissue. It consists of cells that are embedded within the extracellular matrix rather than being attached to one another. Connective tissue fills the spaces, attach epithelium to other tissues, protect and cushion organs, and provide both flexible and firm structural support. We have major types of connective tissue. First, we have the loose connective tissue. These are made up of cells in loose matrix of elastin and collagen fibers. This holds the organs in place and attaches epithelial tissue to underlying tissues. Thus, loose connective tissue binds other tissues together and fills the space between organs. This can be found under the skin and between organs. Second, we have the dense connective tissue. These are made up of cells in dense matrix of elastin and collagen fibers. It builds ligaments, which connects bone to bone together, and tendons, which connects muscle to bone. We also have the adipose tissue. These are fat cells in minimal matrix. It stores fat for energy and insulation. This can be found beneath the skin, between muscles, around heart, and joints. We also have the blood, which is a connective tissue and an unusual tissue because it is liquid, unlike other connective tissue that is solid. So, it consists of red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and the cell fragments called as platelets. These are all traveling in a liquid called plasma. Blood tissue transports gases, nutrients, waste, and hormones. This can be found in arteries, veins, and capillaries. Next, we have the cartilage. Cartilage are cells in matrix of fine collagen fibers that gives flexible support. This can be found in ears, joints, bone ends, and respiratory tract. And the very abundant or common type of cartilage is called as the hyaline cartilage. The last type of connective tissue is the bone. Bone makes up the vertebrate skeleton. These are cells in matrix of collagen and minerals, and it gives firm support. So as a summary of the different categories of tissue, epithelial tissue covers interior and exterior surfaces of organs. It is also for protection, secretion, and absorption. The connective tissue gives support, adhesion, insulation, attachment, and transportation. Muscle tissue, on the other hand, is for movement, while the nervous tissue is for rapid communication among cells.